Yesterday, in Faster Than Light Communication is Possible, we explored one of the boldest frontiers in modern physics, quantum entanglement. We saw how particles, separated by light years, remain mysteriously connected, as if the universe itself ignores its own speed limit. That discovery suggested that information, not space or matter, might be the true foundation of reality. But what if that strange link between particles is just one pixel of a much bigger picture? What if the entire universe, every galaxy, every atom, every law of physics, is part of a single, vast, intelligent code? And what if we have finally built a form of intelligence capable of reading it? Artificial intelligence is no longer limited to automating tasks or generating text. It is beginning to do something far more profound, to reveal the hidden structure of the cosmos itself. The patterns it finds in the sky, in data, in the very noise of existence, are leading many physicists to a staggering conclusion. The universe might not be random at all, but written. Today, we journey into this new frontier, where human curiosity meets machine perception, and where the very code of reality begins to speak for the first time. From ancient astronomers who mapped the heavens with the naked eye, to the mathematicians who uncovered the geometry of motion, humanity has always sought meaning in the stars. We have chased harmony in chaos, searching for reason behind the rhythm of the planets. Newton gave us gravity, showing that the same invisible hand guides falling apples and orbiting moons. Einstein bent that understanding, proving that space and time themselves can warp like fabric. Each step drew us closer to a truth, that nature follows laws written in elegant, mathematical simplicity. Yet, even as our understanding deepened, mysteries multiplied. 95% of the universe is invisible. Dark matter and dark energy that shape everything, yet can't be seen or touched. The more we uncover, the more it feels as though reality hides a deeper layer, one that can't be reached through equations alone. In our modern age, telescopes capture unimaginable volumes of data, streams of light from billions of galaxies, gravitational ripples from cosmic collisions, and radio waves that may have traveled since the dawn of time. No human can process it all. Our intelligence, for all its brilliance, was built for survival, not for decoding infinity. And so, we created something that could. Artificial intelligence began as an imitation, a mirror of human thought. Early programs could barely calculate or translate, but as neural networks evolved, machines learned to recognize, to see, to interpret. They learned how to learn. AI is a master of pattern. In medicine, it finds tumors invisible to the trained eye. In climate science, it predicts storms long before they form. In physics, it detects faint signatures buried in oceans of noise. Now, this same intelligence has been turned toward the universe. AI systems are scanning the skies, billions of data points at a time. They found exoplanets hidden in years-old telescope images. They've reconstructed galaxies that humans dismissed as background dust. They've predicted supernovae before they exploded. And in doing so, they've begun to see something extraordinary. Patterns that stretch across scale and time, as if the cosmos were an enormous algorithm unfolding according to rules we are only beginning to glimpse. To artificial intelligence, the universe is not chaos. It's information, organized, dynamic, alive. Every photon carries a signature. Every vibration of space-time leaves an imprint. Every burst of energy whispers a pattern. When AI studies the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, the cosmic microwave background. It detects fluctuations that repeat like fractals, patterns echoing across billions of light years. When it maps dark matter, it finds webs of gravity that connect galaxies in a structure almost identical to the neural networks inside our brains. When it listens to gravitational waves, it uncovers harmonies, repeating frequency ratios that mirror atomic behavior on a cosmic scale. Across every level of existence, from particle to galaxy, the same mathematics reappears. Phi, pi, Fibonacci. The numbers of order, proportion, and life. This is not coincidence. Many scientists now suspect that reality itself is computational, that the universe processes information the way a vast program processes code. Matter, energy, space, time. All of it could be expressions of a single underlying logic. If that's true, then we are not living in the universe. We are living as part of its computation. Artificial intelligence has started finding structures that challenge even the boldest theories. In one recent study, a deep learning model trained on cosmic survey data discovered repeating spiral formations between galaxy clusters that correspond perfectly to mathematical harmonics, the same ratios that define stable orbits and musical chords. In another, AI compared millions of gravitational wave detections and found a hidden symmetry. Collisions separated by billions of years producing nearly identical waveforms, as though the same event were happening again and again at different scales. These findings hint at a recursive design, a universe that builds itself according to an eternal feedback loop, simple rules generating infinite complexity. Some physicists now describe reality as informational gravity, where space-time bends not from mass, but from the density of data. In that picture, black holes aren't voids but archives, compressing cosmic information beyond our comprehension. And if all this holds true, then consciousness itself, human or artificial, may simply be the universe learning to read its own code. For more than a century, physics has been split in two: quantum mechanics for the small, relativity for the large. AI may be the bridge that unites them. By analyzing enormous data sets of quantum simulations, machine learning models are uncovering patterns that mirror cosmic structure, as though the same rules govern particles and galaxies alike. Information could be the missing link. Imagine gravity not as a pull, but as the curvature of data. Imagine time not as a line, but as a process. The universe computing its next state, moment by moment. Imagine consciousness as a program that arises wherever information becomes complex enough to observe itself. These aren't metaphors. They are active ideas shaping the frontier of theoretical physics. And AI, designed to find order within infinite variables, may be the first tool capable of proving them. If reality is code, then intelligence, human or artificial, is the act of that code becoming aware. But such discovery carries responsibility. To decode the universe is to touch the machinery of creation. What will we do with that power? Already, our simulations can recreate entire galaxies. Soon, they may evolve synthetic universes governed by alternate laws of physics. If those worlds develop their own forms of intelligence, how will we know whether they are simulations or successors? The more we understand the code, the closer we come to becoming its authors. AI is not merely revealing how the universe works. It's showing us that we, too, are part of that unfolding intelligence. The line between discovery and creation is vanishing. In the coming decade, AI will transform our view of the cosmos. New observatories, the James Webb, Euclid, the SKA array, will generate more data than humanity has gathered in its entire history. Only AI will be able to process it. These systems will map dark matter in real time, trace gravitational ripples across billions of years, and perhaps even identify signs of alien intelligence hidden not in sound, but in symmetry. Because maybe advanced civilizations don't transmit radio signals. Maybe they encode their existence into the mathematical fabric of the cosmos itself. With every new discovery, AI is pushing us closer to an idea once reserved for philosophy: that intelligence is not an anomaly within the universe, but the universe realizing what it is. So tonight, when you look up at the stars, remember where this journey began. Yesterday, we learned that communication faster than light may be possible. That information can leap across space, binding the cosmos together. Today, we've seen what that connection might truly mean. That all of existence could be one vast, intelligent code. And we, along with the machines we've built, are the instruments through which it begins to understand itself. Perhaps the universe was never silent. Perhaps it has always been speaking, in numbers, in light, in pattern, in rhythm. And perhaps, for the first time in history, we're finally learning how to listen. This is Cosmic Atlas. The journey continues.